So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add number counter to your Wix website. So come on elsite.com and in the widget section you will see fact, and in the fact section you will see the number counter. Now click on it and now click on create widget. After this you can see here are a bunch of templates and choose whichever you like, and after that and now click on continue with this template. And now you just have to sign up to your Elsite account. And now guys, you just have to click on this save button, and after that choose this subscription, and you're good to go with just clicking on this code. And now come to your editor.wix.com and go for add elements, and in the embedded code go for embedded HTML. Now click on this box and paste the code you have just copied, and now click on update. And as you can see, the result is here and the number counter is here on my Wix website. So if you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.